Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Ayiyi lace frontal wig right here. The hair actually comes in this gorgeous packaging, and the packaging comes with loads of amazing goodies. It comes with a wig cap, it comes with 2 eyelashes, it comes with an hair clip, and it also comes with baby hair brush. And this is what the hair looks like straight out of the box. Look at the wave pattern, guys. The wave pattern is really beautiful, and I love the hair color. The color of the hair is exactly as it was on their website, which is really amazing. And the construction of the cap is glueless, so you don't need any glue or gel to install the hair. As you guys can tell, the hair also comes with an elastic band as well. It has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and the hair has also been pre-plucked straight out of the box. Everything has been done for you, so you have nothing to worry about. As I showed you guys in this video, you can actually install this hair without any glue or gel, depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. I use glue to install this hair in this video, but like I said earlier, the construction of the cap is glueless. But immediately I unboxed this hair, I knew straight away that I'll be wearing this hair for a long time. So I decided to use glue to install the hair because I love the color of the hair. It's very summer friendly, and it's also, good for any occasion. And yeah, as I'm speaking, I am still wearing the hair and I am loving it. There has been no shedding, no tangling whatsoever. And I also love the fact that the hair to its original state, since I have been wearing it now. And yep, so all I did was just apply glue on the areas where I was going to be placing the lace, and then waited for the glue to turn invisible, and then place the lace exactly on the areas where I applied the glue. So I brushed the hair on the lace in just to, keep the hair in place, or the lace in place, if I may say. So I did the same thing on the other side as well. The installation is very easy, very straightforward. So it depends, depending on you and depending on the look you are going for. So I applied the glue on the areas where I was going to place the lace. I actually applied 2 layers because, as I mentioned earlier, I knew I was going to be wearing the hair for a very long time. So I brushed the layer in and, cut the excess lace on my hair area. So I did the same thing on the other side. Basically, as I mentioned, the installation is self-explanatory, straightforward, and I did everything. I did show you everything in a slow-mo or the normal way because after this, installation, I actually sped up the process because I knew it's like a repetition of what you might have been seeing before. So yeah, I, waited for, the hair to like stay in place or melt. Then use my melt belt, just an ordinary elastic band, to melt the hair in, and waited for a while. This step is really really important, not just for this hair but for any hair installation doing. You have to use an elastic band. For some reason I just can't skip this step. I don't know why I can't. So yeah, I did it again after cutting the lace, and voila, look at that. Show me the laces. Where is the lace? This is my natural hair. You can't argue about that. I love it. It melted into my skin effortlessly. Look at that. Effortlessly. You can barely tell if this was my natural hair or not. There's something about Ayiyi hair that I really like, is the lace of their wig and how full, voluminous their hair is. This is the second time I'll be working with this brand, and I can assure you that they don't give anything less than amazing. The quality of their hair is top notch, and the volume of their hair is always top notch, and the length of their hair is their hair is always true to length. But guys, the volume of this hair is just wow, like wow. And the lace of their hair is always up there. I love the lace of this wig. It's very soft and very easy to work with. And look at that, look at that. I've not curled the hair yet. As you guys can tell, you don't have to curl the hair straight out of the box because the wave pattern of the hair is just amazing. But I went further by styling the hair for you guys. I applied the IC spray on the hair, the red one, and then used my hot comb to further melt the hair down just to give it a flatter look at the front, because it's a high density hair, which I am loving. And yeah, I applied my heat protection spray, and then I started curling the hair away from my face. This step is straightforward as well. As you guys can tell, all I was doing is just curling the hair around the wand away from my face, and I'll be doing the same throughout the curling or styling of this hair. So yeah, it's easy and straightforward. So if you don't know how to curl your hair, or you would like me to make a video on how to curl my hair in a slow-mo, please feel free to comment down below and I will definitely do that for you. But as you guys can tell, the hair took to curls really well, and I was feeling myself like wow. I love it. It gives that celebrity look to my face, if that makes sense. It looks so gorgeous. I love it. I really like Ayiyi hair. I like the quality of their hair, and I like the fact that their hair does not shed or tangle whatsoever, and the fact that their hair is always very voluminous. And yeah, I am always happy to work with them, especially based on the quality of their hair and based on the fact that I am rest assured that the hair I'm getting is a very good quality one. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that you guys check them out. And yeah, that's the finished look, guys. Look at that volume, look at the lens, everything is just perfection. Look at that. Show me the lace. Where is the lace? I can't find it. Look at that. Look at that. The hair is 20 inches but looks longer. Stay tuned for my review. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Ayiyi lace frontal wig right here. The hair is actually 13x4 lace frontal wig and I am loving it. So I'm just going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box was the wave pattern of the hair and how voluminous the hair is. Like seriously guys, the hair is really full. Look at that. This is my second time working with this brand, and I notice when it comes to the volume of their hair and the quality of their hair is always top notch. Like I am loving this. The hair is really full, and as you can tell, the curls are really bouncy. Straight out of the box, you can actually wear the hair without having to curl it or tongue it or do anything to the hair at all. All you have to do is just cut your lace and you will be good to go. And the color is exactly the same way it was on their website, which for me is just gorgeous, absolutely stunning. Look at that. I love the color of this hair. Very unique and very cool tone, and you can wear it for any occasion. Like I am loving it. If you're tired of wearing your hair black, then this is definitely an option for you, especially the fact that we are in summer. So if you guys don't know Ayiyi hair, Ayiyi hair are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace frontal wig, they have lace closure wig, they have all types of hairstyles and lengths on their website. And the most amazing thing about this brand is the fact that they always have offers on their website, which is really amazing. And another thing I love about this brand is the fact that their shipping was really quick. It took exactly 4 days to get here in the UK, which is really amazing in my opinion. And another thing I love about this hair is the fact that the construction of the cap is glueless and the lace melted. Like, show me the laces. Where is the lace? It melted into my skin effortlessly. That about this hair is just one of the amazing things I love about the hair. I love the fact that you know, you can barely tell if I am wearing a wig or if the hair is actually growing out of my scalp, which is just fantastic for me. Everyone wants a natural looking wig, which is one of the amazing things I love about this hair. So yeah, I am loving this hair so far, and I love the fact that the quality of the hair is really good. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. Throughout the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any shedding at all, and the hair does not have any nasty smell to it as well, and the volume and length of the hair is fantastic. The hair is definitely true to length. As you guys can tell, it's definitely true to length. Another thing I love about this hair is the fact that the hair took to curls really well. As you guys can tell, you don't actually have to curl this hair straight out of the box, but I decided to go for it because I wanted to show you guys that this hair is actually 100% human hair. And look at that, very full, look at that, and voluminous at the same time. So yeah, I am loving it. Like, look at that. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.